Unlock the hidden stories within your survey data and transform those rows of responses into visually stunning and actionable insights using Looker Studio. First, let's connect your survey data. Click the Create button, then select Data Source. Choose your survey platform. We'll use Google Forms for this example, but Looker Studio connects to many others. Authorize the connection to your Google account and select the specific Google form you want to analyze. Then, click Connect in the top right. Now you're in the report editor. Looker Studio automatically pulls in all the fields from your survey, visible on the right-hand side. Drag and drop a chart type onto the canvas, like a bar chart, to visualize a specific question from your survey. In the Chart Properties panel, assign your survey question to the Dimension field and choose a metric like record count to see the distribution of responses. For multiply choice questions, pie charts work great. Customize colors and labels for better clarity. Use scorecards to highlight key metrics, such as the total number of responses received. Combine various charts, filters, and scorecards to create a comprehensive dashboard that reveals trends and patterns in your survey data. Share your report and start making data-driven decisions today.